Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Okay guys, these are the ingredients for my fruit cake. I have coconut biscuit, alternative for grahams, dahil wala akong mabiling graham, whipped cream, blueberries, mangoes, banana, and strawberries. Okay guys, all I have to do is half the fruit into a blender so we can make a cream, and half the fruits for the toppings. And now I will put 2 tablespoons of sugar in a blender to have a little sweetness in the fruits. And since the blender finished the fruits, I would add half a cup of fresh milk to make the fruits creamy. Okay, it's yummy. Now, let's prepare our mixing bowl so we can make cream toppings. Now guys, okay na. Napakasarap, grabe. Nung tinikman ko siya, naghalo yung mango, strawberry, berries, at saka yung banana. Malinamnam, sobrang sarap, grabe. Kaya pag natapos to, napakasarap ng aking fruit cake. So, start na natin to. Tama na yung ating chica bells. Magandahan lang nitong biscuit na to. Talagang naka-ready na siya, yung ganyan na talaga siya. Ayan. Hindi mo na siya puputol-putulin. Diba? Wow, swak na swak. Swak na swak ang tatlo. At ready na natin siyang lagyan ng ating pampasarap. So, okay na. Handa na ang aming fruitcake. So, ipi-freezer ko na lang siya. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone! Before my mom removed this Christmas tree, I need a selfie for my remembrance for 2020.
Okay.
Even if the new year is done, we still have our fruitcake, and my mom made this fruitcake.
For you and for me. Ayan. So, let's eat again. Meron pa tayong kalahati. May I see? Oh, diba? May kalahati pa. So,
my hands are cold.
After natin kumain yan, liligpitin ko na yung Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Ayan o. Meron pa kami. Talagang frozen na siya.
And my finger is starting to froze.
Okay, let's eat na.
Nakapag-repeat na ng Christmas tree. Okay, hindi ko na binideo kanina kasi mahirap ang may video habang nag-repeat. Ayan na guys, dito ko na lang muna niligpit. Ayan, kasi wala na akong paglagyan. Diba? Yan yung sa Christmas decor ko. Pag naayos ko na yung paglalagyan na dito sa taas, okay na. Tapos itong, ayan, hindi ko pa natatanggal. Parang hindi ko na yata tatanggalin. Eh, bahala na.